Good morning, guys. Okay, a little bit of another unboxing today. I received a package from Temu. Temu is not sponsoring this video or anything. Whenever I've got any stuff that I want to buy that is too expensive, well, this is actually for the Insta360 amount. Well, inside the package, I can't remember everything that I ordered, but inside this package there is a chest harness mount for the Insta360, which is insanely expensive if you buy it through Insta360. The chest mount as well, very expensive. So yes, let's have a look. Let's see what is in the package. And this is like typical Temu packaging. All right, number one, yeah, some marking pens, but that is for the garage. We don't want to have a look at that now. This is a rubber table mount for my Insta360. Let's have a look at this one. So inside the box, you will get the mount. We will see if the mount fits properly just now, and then obviously some cleaning wipes for your lenses, which is quite nice. All right, so let's have a look, see if it fits. This is for the Insta360 X5. You get a clear, I don't know exactly what this clear thing is for, but you get like a clear sticker thing. All right, and then you have another one, and then you've got your rubber mount that's got a clear, okay, I think it is because it's got a clear, this is what it looks like. So it's got a clear sticker. I suppose that is if you want to stick it on a surface that's non-slip. So let's see if the Insta360 actually fits in here. Oh yeah, perfect. So now it can stand on the table or a flat surface, either a holder. Oh my God. Okay, hang on. Sorry, I had a little bit of a Temu moment there. I don't know, there was something in the packet with it was like staining everything red. But like I said, all right, so this is a mount for your Insta360 to sit on. It's got a, let's switch it on. It's got a little light there, well, which is actually quite nice. So you can see if it's recording. So the base has got a little light, a hole for the light, and it actually fits in there perfect. I think this is quite handy. Alrighty, let's move on. Next package, let's see what's in here. Like I say, I can't remember what I ordered. I ordered like a mix bag of stuff that I thought that I would need. I would say it is packaged very well though, by the looks of it. Like I say, it's, this is not sponsored by Temu. I always buy stuff from Temu if I can't find the stuff cheaper anywhere else. All right, so this looks like it's packaged like this. This is also for the Insta360. So this is a mount, a quick release mount actually. If I can get it open. Should have brought a knife or a scissors. All right. A quick release mount. Now, let me show you. Okay. It is made out of aluminium. Oh. The bottom is plastic. No, sorry, it's not aluminium, it's plastic. But the buttons are steel, but the rest of it looks like it is plastic. So this is a quick release for your Insta360, either X4 or X5, which you'll see in the bottom there's some holes, and this, oh, and it's magnetic as well. Look at that. Oh, magnetic. But that clips in there, and that is, then you can mount it on either bike handlebars or anything. It is hooks in there quite well, and then quick release, just press, and there we go. So that is the quick release for the. It's got quite a strong magnet, I must say. Quick release. Alrighty. So that is the quick release for the extra. Then here's another package. Okay, this most probably will be, oh, nice pink package. Alrighty. So I think this will be the horizontal or vertical mount for the. Just a little bit of a instruction manual. Who needs that, man? I do, when I battle later on and I can't get the thing to freaking fit or work. Oh no, sorry. It's not the mount. It is a digital angle. Digital angle thingamajiggy. All right, open it. Comes in a very nice package. Standard USB-C, USB suppose charging cable. Come packaged very well. All right. And this also should be magnetic, and it's got the laser. It's got the laser sight. So this should be. Yes, it is magnetic. Let's switch it on, see if it's got power. So this is, and it's got the little lasers on the side as well. So what it does is it gives you the angle that, it's like a digital spirit level. So this I got for the garage as well, and I suppose you press the button and it's got like a little laser in there. You can see on the back there. Gives you a laser. And supposed to be both sides, but it looks like it's only the one side that is working. Well, I suppose you only need one side. Oh, no, it does work. So it's got, press it. Oh, there we go. So if I put it there, so as you press it, you can see that then it will give you the angle. Let's go 45, 45. There we go. That is 45 degrees. So that will actually give you the angle that you need. Very nifty, very nice. Like I say, for the workshop or my garage, This works well. Okay, and then last but not least, that would be the, hopefully, the side mount for the Insta360. I must say everything comes packaged fairly well. We've got a Allen key, and this is your mount. It comes with a little bit a rubber or a felt insert there. It's got a little screw that you can screw into your Insta360, and then it's got these clips that you can actually connect to a mount. This is aluminium. Yeah, it is aluminium. So how this will work is, this will go on your Insta360. It will mount this way onto your Insta360, and you've got your little screw there. You get the Allen key. You can see I'm not a professional unboxer, but yeah. So you've got your, oh, this is magnetic as well. Nice to see. So you've got your screw there. You will screw that into your Insta360. Then you can mount it sideways or vertical, and it should be a very sturdy, and obviously everything is, let's have a look. Not strong magnetic, but it is magnetic. Other than that, yeah. And then also your quick mount can also go on there. All right, your quick release. So the quick release fits in there, which is, magnet is very strong on that side. So this is what it looks like. All right. You've got those can fold away. If you want to mount it, you can mount it. And then you'll have your quick release that can also turn it around. Magnetic is fighting me. There we go. And that is that for the accessories for the Insta360 X5. Apparently these things does fit the X4 as well, the X4 model. And then these ones are just the normal, I'll show you, but these are just marking pens for if you, with a long nozzle that you can actually mark if you've got like deep wood or something like that. If I can get it open. Don't use your teeth, you open stuff like I do. So this is what it is. It's just a marking pen with a nice long tip so that you can actually mark through stuff. Let's have a look there, see if it works. Yes, it does. Very, very nice. And that is that for the unboxing, guys. So, yes. Happy, happy, happy. Like I say, I'm not sponsored by Temu or anything like that. There's another package coming from Temu. which I will show you when it arrives. Whenever, you know, these things from Insta360 is very expensive, and you know, especially in South Africa, you do battle to get stuff at a very good price if you don't want to go and buy from the manufacturer. But yeah, if you shop carefully from Temu, you can actually get some decent stuff. Just make sure that you read the reviews and the description. Very important, read the description very carefully, otherwise you are going to buy the wrong thing. Okay, so that is my unboxing, and we'll catch you next time.